Space, the final frontier, is full of mind-boggling facts that never cease to amaze us. As we gaze up at the night sky, we catch a glimpse of a vast and mysterious realm filled with wonders. From unimaginable distances to exotic objects, space ignites our curiosity. Today we embark on a journey through the cosmos to explore 10 astonishing facts about space. Get ready to expand your cosmic perspective and discover the awe-inspiring beauty of the universe. The universe is ridiculously huge, like mind-blowingly, incomprehensibly vast. We're talking 93 billion light years across, and that's just the observable part. Imagine traveling at the speed of light, which is about 186,000 miles per second. It would still take you 93 billion years to cross just what we can see. And here's the kicker. Most astronomers believe the universe extends far beyond what we can observe. So that 93 billion light years might just be a tiny fraction of the whole shebang. It's enough to make your brain hurt a little, right? And all that space isn't just empty either. It's teeming with galaxies, hundreds of billions of them, each one chock full of billions upon billions of stars. The sheer scale of it all is enough to make you feel pretty insignificant. But hey, on the plus side, it also means there's a whole lot out there left to discover. You'd think the planet closest to the sun would be the hottest, right? Makes sense, doesn't it? Well, the universe doesn't always play by our rules. In our solar system, the title of hottest planet actually goes to Venus, the second rock from the sun. Now, don't get me wrong, Mercury's no slouch in the heat department, but Venus has a secret weapon, its atmosphere. You see, Venus is shrouded in this incredibly thick atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide. Think of it like a giant blanket trapping heat from the sun. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect and things get toasty. How toasty? Try over 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. So while Mercury bakes under the sun's glare, Venus simmers in its own personal inferno. It's a good reminder that things aren't always as straightforward as they seem in the vastness of space. Here on Earth, we prize diamonds for their rarity and brilliance, but out in the cosmos, on planets like Neptune and Uranus, diamonds are about as common as, well, rain. That's right, diamond rain. Imagine that for your next birthday, but these aren't your typical April showers. Deep within these ice giants, under unimaginable pressure and temperatures, something incredible happens. The carbon atoms in the atmosphere are squeezed and heated so intensely that they crystallize. And what do you get when carbon crystallizes? Diamonds, baby! These diamonds, some potentially enormous, are thought to sink through the dense layers of the planets, creating a dazzling spectacle we can only dream of witnessing firsthand. Just imagine the bling on those planets. Chapter 4. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Time is a relative concept, especially when you're talking about other planets. And on Venus, time gets really weird. See, on Earth, a day is one rotation on our axis, about 24 hours. A year is one trip around the sun, about 365 days. Simple, right? Not on Venus. Venus takes its sweet time spinning on its axis, a single rotation clocking in at a mind-boggling 243 Earth days. But here's the kicker, it only takes Venus 225 Earth days to orbit the sun. You heard that right? A day on Venus is longer than its year. So if you were lucky enough, or unlucky depending on your perspective, to live on Venus, you'd celebrate your birthday before the sun even finished rising. Talk about a long day. Chapter 5. The largest volcano in the solar system. We've got some impressive volcanoes here on Earth, but nothing compares to the behemoth lurking on Mars. Get ready to meet Olympus Mons, the king of all volcanoes. This shield volcano is a monster, stretching an incredible 13.6 miles high. That's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. And if you thought its height was impressive, Olympus Mons sprawls across a mind-blowing 370 miles in diameter. To give you some perspective, that's roughly the size of the state of Arizona. If Olympus Mons were on Earth, it would dominate the landscape like some kind of alien megastructure. Thankfully, it's safely on Mars, where it stands as a testament to the raw power that shaped our solar system. Chapter 6. The sound of space. We've all heard it said that in space no one can hear you scream, and it's true. In the vacuum of space there's no air for sound waves to travel through. But don't think for a second that space is silent. It's actually full of eerie and fascinating sounds if you know how to listen. You see, sound is just vibration, and those vibrations can travel through things other than air. Space is filled with electromagnetic vibrations, and scientists have figured out how to capture these vibrations and translate them into sound waves we can hear. The result? A cosmic symphony of hisses, crackles, pops, and whistles. It's like listening to the universe breathe. From the roar of Jupiter's magnetic field to the eerie hum of interstellar gas clouds, the sounds of space are both beautiful and unsettling. Chapter 7. More stars than grains of sand. Have you ever strolled along a beach, scooped up a handful of sand, and marveled at the countless grains slipping through your fingers? Now imagine trying to count every grain of sand on every beach on Earth. It's a mind-boggling task, right? Well, get ready to have your mind truly blown. Astronomers estimate that there are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth combined. We're talking a number so large it's hard to even fathom. Roughly 70 sextillion, that's a 7 followed by 22 zeros. Each one of those stars is a sun, potentially with its own system of planets orbiting it, and that's just in the observable universe. Who knows how many more stars lie beyond our cosmic horizon? It's enough to make you feel incredibly small, but also strangely connected to the vastness of the cosmos. Chapter 8. The coldest place in the universe. Space is known for its extreme temperatures, but nothing compares to the bone-chilling cold of the Boomerang Nebula. Located about 5,000 light-years away, this cosmic ghost is the coldest known place in the universe. We're talking seriously cold here, folks. The temperature in the Boomerang Nebula plunges to a mind-numbing -458 degrees Fahrenheit. That's just a single degree above absolute zero, the point at which all molecular motion stops. So what makes this nebula so incredibly frigid? It's thought to be the result of a dying star that's expelling its outer layers at incredible speeds. As this gas expands, it cools rapidly, creating this cosmic freezer. It's a chilling reminder of the extremes of temperature that exist in our universe. Chapter 9. The mystery of dark matter. Here's a cosmic riddle for you. What makes up about 85% of the universe's mass, but can't be seen or directly detected? The answer, dark matter. It's one of the biggest mysteries in astrophysics. We know dark matter exists because of its gravitational effects on visible matter like stars and galaxies. It's like an invisible hand shaping the structure of the cosmos. But what is it exactly? That's the million-dollar question. Scientists have proposed various theories, from exotic particles to entirely new forms of matter. But so far, dark matter has eluded our attempts to pin it down. It's like trying to catch a shadow. The quest to understand dark matter is one of the most exciting frontiers in modern science, and unlocking its secrets could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Chapter 10. The possibility of multiverses. What if our universe isn't the only one? This is the mind-bending concept of the multiverse. The multiverse theory suggests our universe might be just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. These parallel universes could be radically different from our own. It's a dizzying thought, isn't it? The idea of a multiverse challenges our very definition of reality. The universe, full of surprises. These 10 mind-blowing facts about space illustrate just how incredible and mysterious our universe is. From the unimaginable vastness to the strange phenomena occurring on distant planets, space continues to be a source of wonder and inspiration. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we're sure to uncover even more astonishing discoveries that challenge our understanding and ignite our sense of awe. So, keep looking up at the stars, because you never know what wonders await you in the infinite expanse of space. For more fascinating content and to stay updated with the latest in space and science, don't forget to subscribe to Fact TV. If you enjoyed this article, please share it with your friends and leave a comment below with your thoughts.